Cheerio, suckers.
You bastards!
It's me.
Look, sorry, Nemesis, but my heart belongs to someone else now.
Letting Gulag Noctite in the hardest more fear, this rock will weaken him. Behold! To the Sapien! Open now! Portal of the Dark Dimension!
The Dark Dimension!
I have the button to close it right there. The portal can only be shut from the inside.
In order to bring back planet Eren Gulanok with the Revelation Maximum.
This reality would cease to exist together with his timeline. Past, present and future would vanish as if Earth had never ever existed.
It cannot be. It is Eren Gulanok, my home.
What? You can call me Commander.
Commando, I am your father.
But this is impossible. I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. La 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 la, la la la. It's the final countdown. La 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 la, la la la. Oh, and we are live.
All stories reach their end. We know that some ends are more bitter than others.
Like the one of our beloved planet, Eren Gulanok.
But what about those ends that are still to be written?
Such as the one of our very planet Earth that today is deciding
Whether it's here to stay for a bit longer, or if it never was, drowning its past, present, and future in the tides of time.
well, while there's still ink in the pen and willing hands,
Writing up alternative conclusions about its fate, or its doom. The conclusion will remain unknown.
but is this the case?
Or has the end
Really arrived?
Cheerio, suckers.
You bastards! Son of a... He left in the only spaceship we had.
Well, here we are, the end of our paths. We have shared so many good moments and memories in this path that we call life. Do you remember when we swore both? When we swore we'll be together in sickness and in health, in prosperity and in the apocalypse, this death has to part.
Of course I do, honey.
Well, it was a lie. I was keeping another ship just in case. You are so naive. Haha, here you stay.
What? Another spaceship? And you wanted to leave without me? I'm going to catch you, wicked man. Take this stone.
Ouch! That's really hard.
You bastard!
But this is impossible.
And that's why I need Neanderthal theories to manipulate the rock. I cannot touch it either. Its effect of the inhabitants of planet Erin Gulanok in the air atmosphere can be lethal. A bit after I arrived, I started my master plan. Got a job in Diego, waiting for the moment when they could deliver the technology necessary to regenerate our bird planet. And finally it happened. They came up with the regeneration machine. They found the sense of the dark dimension, but I still need more energy. I blow up the city in order to attract Commando's attention, to bring him here. And he's the only being that's ever walked in and out again of the dark dimension. That I knew of at the time. You already know the rest of the story. I promised Neanderthal tourists that I'll bring back the quantum tarot reader with the regeneration machine if he was to help me.
This guy wants to destroy Earth, and all of us will be gone with it too.
Shut up! Now this is completely irrelevant. Erin Gulanok is almost here!
Stop all this nonsense, caretaker. If you want to do this, you have to defeat Commander Fest.
Hey!
But where did you come from?
Surprised? All this time, I've been observing, learning. I'm probably the only human alive who have been sharing a household with both a superhero, Commando, and a supervillain, Neanderthal tourist. I am, of course, a self-sufficient, empowered woman rather than a princess in distress. I brought Commando back to the city so that I could use him as a bait for the evil forces plotting against humankind. And it worked. Very soon afterwards, the very Neanderthal tourist was also at home. Oh, I observed them, learned about their strengths and their weaknesses. I saw every single fight, took note of every defeat. I didn't plan to gain this unexpected power from the essence of the dark dimension, but now I can use it in order to reestablish the balance of evil and good, yin and yang. So, get ready for Commander!
Oh my god, this is getting way out of hand. We are so fired if the EGO finds out about this. And that's if we continue existing anyway. Monkey, release Commando. Dimensional intern, shut the portal.
I'm only obeying orders. This is a total mess, oh my. If my supervisors see that we destroyed a reality, I can forget about their reference letter. I'm gonna click on the close button right now, so that I can seal the interdimensional portal before dark creatures from the other dimension start coming in. I guess this is bye for now.
Dark beings are creeping in through the portal. We must close immediately.
But what was that?
Wow! Was that Margaret Thatcher?
That's it. If you want a thing done well, do it yourself. There we go. Take care, Dork. I might even miss you, I suppose.
Run.
What are you doing here? Are you stupid or what? Don't you understand that if I shut the portal, I'll be locked in the dark dimension?
We will get locked. With whom would I sing if I was to stay on the other side? Because...
Take that!
There!
Oh, no! No!
My little child, stop this madness.
Stop that? We're working on that.
Oh my, one must be patient. No, you silly thing. Stop the negligent doctor and the blatherous scientists. Or would you choose a planet full of stupid monkeys over your own birth planet?
I told the monkey that the effect was only temporary. The sense of the dark dimension is now over, so now it's my turn. What's going on? I'll be born!
What's really important is...
This is not the time for this. But well, you've already decided. They say it's better to be in bad company than on your own, I suppose. Hold on, or was it the other way around?
Negligent doctor! Blatherous scientist!
I am so sorry, Mom. I've already decided. I sacrifice this past. I choose the future.
You bastard!
Hasta la vista.
Hey, we won!
Not yet. I just lost my mom and dad all over again. In moments like this, it's when we realize those things we took for granted, those things that we don't value enough.
But... do you mean...
Persistent journalist,
Yeah?
will you get out of my way one moment, please?
Oh well, love wins. We should celebrate.
And so, love wins. Life wins. And at the end of the day, life is only a path that can take unexpected turns. Don't you agree? The age of superheroes will never be over, as each of us have a superhero inside. One that helps us get over especially difficult moments. One that shares with us the sweet moments of happiness. Our most valued traveling partner. And I guess I should say, and they all live happily ever after. At least for a while.
And with this new bulletin, we are saying now goodbye to you all. Have a good day and talk to you soon.
Okay, you don't need to get so angry about it. We are all humans, right?
Well, while I was doing the research for this article, I actually saved the planet. Don't you think this is enough for my promotion?
With the help of the biggest hero that has ever walked this earth, obviously.
and of his arch enemy not, because I didn't want. Life in the countryside is so peaceful.
I'm going to infect anyone that crosses my path.
I told you we shouldn't trust this caretaker. Vengeful shaman is always right.
But who do you think you are? I was doing this for the Wither God. You know, nobody listens to the old people anymore these days.
Well, I guess I'll have to continue doing some tasks over here for a while longer now. This is such a mess.
And now, how do I come back? This traitor has betrayed me again. Family is overrated.
First to the mill, honey.
And with this final message, it's time to say goodbye to the Commando series. My name is Ruben Chapela, I'm the director of this channel, and this wouldn't have been possible without all these friends that were willing to spend hours voicing over the characters and collaborating. So thanks a lot to my friends, thanks a lot to all of you who've been watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. Now, as the YouTubers do, I need to ask you to like this video, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and to press on the bell. And obviously, if you would like to ask any questions, please feel welcome to ask away and to give any suggestions about future series or content that you would like to see. And talk to you soon. Bye!